Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is a day 11 and the problem is subsets. So in this problem, given a set of distinct integers nums, return all possible subsets. Note that the solution set must not contain duplicate subsets. So for example, in nums 1 2 3, then we can make how many possible subsets. So the what is subset? So subset is like either we can include this number or we cannot include, or we can include like that. So total there is two possibility for a particular number. So how many total subset we can form with n numbers is 2 की power n. So here 3 n is 3, so total 8 subset we can form. So the first subset is like 3, then 1, then 2, like 1 at a time and empty subset, and then 2 at a time 3 subset, and the 3 all 3 in a 1 subset. So total we have here 8 subset. So let's understand this problem. Let's say we have nothing in our nums list. So this is our nums. So if nums doesn't have anything, then how many subset we can form, which is 2 की power 0, and there is no element here, so we can only form the empty subset. So this is our empty subset. Let's we have a one number, one value in nums, then how many subset we can form? 2 की power 1, which is 2. So how we can form? 1 is like empty subset, we can start with empty subset, then we can place the 1. So we can place the 1 in our subset, another subset is with 1. So total 2 subset we will have if nums has one element. Let's say nums has 2 elements, 1 and 2. So then how many total possible subset we can form? 2 की power 2, so which is 4. So how we will start the forming this 4? So using the previous steps as we use for like when nums doesn't have anything, then we will have empty subset. So we will start with this subset, then we take the one element 1 can be added. So we will take this previous one, we can keep this empty subset plus add the 1 into the empty subset, which will be become this one. So this is our step 1. So now we have subset so far with the 2 subset. Now we are consume here 1 and initially started with no element, empty subset this one. Now we have to place the 2. So what we can do, we can have select this all the existing subset and not place 2 and then place the 2. So here not place 2 and here we need to place the 2 and then take the union of these 2 subsets. So that we will get all the subset. So in case of when we are not adding 2, so our as it is subsets are as it is, empty subset and one subset. In case we are placing 2, so in empty subset if we place 2, this will become subset of 2, and in subset of 1 if we place 2, this will become 1 and 2. So what we did now, we did the union of these two way, where like one case include not include 2, another case include 2. So total we got the 4 subsets. So let's discuss about the bigger picture here. For n equals to 3, like nums has all the element 1 2 3 as given in the example as well. So which is like 1 2 3. We will follow the same process as we did in the previous example. So we will start with the empty subset first, then we will choose 1 cannot be placed here, so the empty is ready, then union with choose the 1, then select these both of them, not place 2 and this 2 empty subset here, and then select add 2 in the existing subsets, which is 1 comma 2. Now for 3, if we take this whole 4 as it is, so empty subset 1, subset with 2, subset with 1 and 2, then we will take the 3. If we add 3 in empty subset, it will become subset of 3. If we add 3 in subset of 1, which is 1 and 3, and we add subset 3 in subset of 2, which is 2 3, this is 3, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3. So what we are doing, we are just taking all the previous subsets and then adding the new numbers. So what we can, how we will solve this problem, we will just create a result which is list of list holding the all the subset at that moment, and then we will iterate all the numbers. Let's start the code. I will explain during the implementation as well. So we need a one list of list which is integer return type, and let's call it result, which is initialize, it's array list. And then what we will do, we will add the first empty subset. So empty subset list, add new array list. Once we add it, we will iterate all the nums in our nums array, and then we first check the original array like result subset, so that we have to only add the new number in those subset. So here we will take the size, which is result dot size, and then we will iterate another I is equal to 0 to all the here till the size, and then I plus plus. Now we will get the new subset. So new subset will be list array dot integer, let's say call it subset, which will be new. Let's create it a new array list, and we will add the result dot get the previous subset at the index I, and then we will add subset dot add, and we will add the subset dot add the num, the current number we are selecting in all the previously calculated subset. So this is like we are adding here this case, second case, like adding new numbers, and this part we will handle automatically here, I will tell you. So once we done, we will add result dot add the new subset we form by adding the new numbers. So what will happen here in result, we already have the previous state subset here, as we completed the step here, like the step 2 here, this is for 1, this is 0. If we complete, we will already have these 4 subset in our list, and we are picking the empty first subset from here and then adding 3 and creating this. Then we are picking this subset and adding 3, and then we are picking this subset and adding 3 again, like this, and appending the same list to result list here. So that is the reason we use the size variable, because once we are going in this loop, the size will be changed. So that's why we took the size of the previous state. So this is a BFS approach basically. So once we added size, and then in the end we just return the subset result. So here is the solution. Let's compile our code. So it is compiling and we are getting correct answer. So let's compile few other test cases, like empty subset with 1 and with 1 2, and then the original 1 2 3. Okay. So let's run our custom test cases. So I will show you the steps how we follow. I explain the same way. So initially this is an empty subset. Then we took the empty subset in the result array and added 1 into that, and the result already had empty subset. So we will got the 2 subset. Now we took these 2 subset already there, and then we choose the empty subset, added 2, and then 1 and 2 in the subset, this subset. So this way this is forming. So this is simple BFS solution. So thank you. If you like my solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and the complexity I will share in the description of the video.